Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to help you understand dense research papers. So this is a great little trick for any other students, be any other college students who might be in a technically demanding field and feel a little overwhelmed. So I've got a research paper here. Let's give the title a quick read. Molecular modeling, docking, and dynamic simulations of growth hormone receptor of Labeo rohita. So it's definitely a mouthful, and I feel like it's going to take me forever to really understand the nitty-gritty if I didn't have any assistance. So in this case, we'll be using Claude. Just head on over to Claude AI. I'm going to upload the file by clicking on the plus button. So with the file uploaded, we can start writing our prompt. So let's say, help me break down the information in this research paper. I would like a summary of the important points as well as the relevant results. Present the information through the use of an overarching narrative if applicable. So the last sentence, I just like to include for prompts like these because it helps construct a story for me to follow. So I'm using Sonnet 4.6, which is one of the latest. Oops, I'm using 4.6. And I've got extended thinking on. So this just gives the AI a little more time to process and think about its responses. So I'm pretty satisfied with this prompt. I'm gonna go ahead and click send over here, and I'm gonna give Claude a few minutes to summarize and give me a response. There we go. So it's broken down this multi-page paper. How many pages? 12 pages really, because the rest are references. So it's broken down like 12 pages into maybe one or two, and it's done so in a really concise and efficient manner, which I'm a big fan of. So yeah, and it's also used a narrative framework. That way it sort of tells the story about what happened, why the researchers wanted to do this or that, and that just really helps me understand these more complicated and dense scientific papers. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask it to save this as a text document. Can you save your previous response as a text document? That way I just have something I can download and use for future references. So there we go. It's summarizing the information and exporting it as a text document. Give it a second or two. That's nice. It even added a source with proper citations. There we go. Presenting files. And here. So now I have my own copy that I can study on my own time. So that was how you can use Claude to help you understand dense research papers. I hope I was able to teach you something new and a nifty little trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this small icon here and download. So I can download the text document. There we go. And thanks for watching.